Naked festival. Wait, what? Two words that spark a cascade of images in the mind. A jolt of curiosity, a flicker of doubt, a wave of genuine wonder. It's a phrase designed to stop you, to make you question what you think you know. But the reality of this place is far quieter, far more profound than its name suggests. So, let's look closer. Beyond the initial shock, at the sun-drenched edges of the crowd, another story begins to unfold. It's a narrative written not in words, but in color and form. Here, surprise softens into something else entirely. The frantic pace of the outside world melts away. Breathing slows, syncing with the gentle rhythm of the festival itself. A gentle hum rises from the fields, a collective sound that is deeply shared, profoundly human, and unmistakably kind. The delicate notes of a lone guitar drift across the open space, braiding with the low, easy murmur of conversation and the bright, distant calls of children at play. It's the sound of a temporary village, a community finding its voice. In this unique environment, people move with a deliberate grace, a newfound awareness of their own form. Skin becomes story. The body is transformed into a living canvas where every brushstroke is vivid, precise, and alive with intention. This is a living gallery, a breathing exhibition where every single person is simultaneously a participant and a masterpiece in progress. You quickly realize this event is less about nudity and more about the thoughtful celebration of the human form as a canvas. It's an exploration conducted with immense care, respect, and artistic integrity. The entire festival was born from a radical yet simple idea: to create a space that champions art, champions freedom, and above all, champions human dignity. And so, thousands arrive from every walk of life. Each person brings their own history, their own hopes, their own story to be told. They come seeking connection, expression, and transformation. Next, we explore the tools that make this metamorphosis possible. Beat. At its core, this is a grand celebration of body painting as art. Here, the body is a dynamic, three-dimensional canvas. A walk through the tents feels like open-air studios. Tools laid out with surgical precision. Palettes, a rainbow of potential. The faint scent of water-based paint, the soft hum of compressors. Brush and sponge for texture and detail. Delicate veins, hairline strokes. Airbrush for impossibly smooth transitions and otherworldly glow. Stencils and freehand, designs that seem to float above the skin. Sweeping landscapes, intricate florals, fierce animals, abstract constellations of color, ephemeral masterpieces, alive only for a day. To understand the spirit of this festival, we must look to its philosophy, naturism, and body freedom. This isn't just about removing clothes, it's a cultural movement centered on social nudity in a non-sexual context, promoting a harmonious connection with oneself, others, and the natural world. The practice has ancient roots. Pagan rites linked the bare body to the earth, while in ancient Greece, athletes competed nude, celebrating the human form and democratic equality, where social status was stripped away with one's robes. Similarly, adorning the body with paint is a timeless art form. Across cultures, body paint tells stories, signifies identity, and marks sacred rites, transforming the skin into a living chronicle of personal and collective history. Today's clothing-optional festivals are the modern inheritors of these traditions, reframing our relationship with the body away from mainstream judgment. Here, naturism promotes a non-sexualized appreciation for the human form in all its diversity. The focus shifts from what the body looks like to what it can do, feel, and create, leading to a powerful surge in self-acceptance. Strong central themes, like collective art and wellness, are crucial. They provide a shared purpose that elevates the experience, shifting the focus toward creativity and connection. In this curated environment, nudity becomes the necessary canvas upon which the art is brought to life. This freedom is built on mutual respect. Clear, explicit rules regarding consent, photography, and behavior are prominently displayed and strictly enforced. This framework is essential to foster a culture of safety over voyeurism, ensuring everyone feels secure. Beat. Beyond the spectacle, beyond the vibrant colors and intricate designs, the true heart of this gathering is found in its people. It's a space built on a foundation of vulnerability and trust, where every individual contributes to a collective tapestry of human experience. To understand it, you have to listen. So we listened, anonymously, respectfully, to the stories that unfold when judgment is set aside.
As an artist, I paint to tell a story, but usually that story is static, fixed on a canvas. Here the story moves and breathes, it walks, it dances, it interacts with the world.
The art isn't just on the skin. The person becomes the story. It's a special connection, a collaboration between the artist, the canvas, and the community that witnesses it.
I was so nervous coming here for the first time. I thought I'd feel exposed, but no one is staring. Everyone is just here, present. It's a profound sense of acceptance.
It's ironic, isn't it? I feel freer and less self-conscious here, surrounded by hundreds of people, than I do on a crowded beach in a swimsuit. The focus isn't on bodies, but on shared humanity.
For me, this is a pilgrimage. A quiet rebellion against the noise of the outside world. It is peaceful. It's a chance to reconnect with myself without distraction.
I've been coming for a decade. Each year, new ideas, new colors, new faces. It fills me with hope, seeing this community evolve and welcome more people into the fold.
I'm in my 70s. I spent a lifetime worried about what people thought of my body. Here, I've learned it's just a body. The art reminds me that it's something to be celebrated, not hidden. After my surgery, I struggled with the scars. An artist here worked them into a design of a kintsugi bowl, the Japanese art of repairing pottery with gold. It helped me see my own story as beautiful.
These are the threads that weave this community together. People return year after year, carrying this sense of belonging and self-acceptance back into their daily lives. Behind the headlines and misconceptions are simply seekers of expression, art, and genuine human connection. It is a temporary society built on the simple, powerful foundation of respect. By anonymizing these voices, their individual truths shine through, painting a picture far more profound than any single brushstroke ever could. Beat. The architecture of trust, safety, consent, respect. Freedom begins with feeling safe. Guides and helpers, not guards. Consent is the cornerstone. No touch without permission, no close-ups without consent. Boundaries are discussed before painting begins. Clear, repeated, visible reminders. Trained staff and services on site. Hydration and shade reduce risk. Professional, skin-safe materials. Every operational detail protects well-being. Designated family areas keep things relaxed. Kids see creatures and landscapes. Pure magic. A model of safety, respect, and harmony. Beat. A global palette. Traditions in a modern festival. A crossroads of art and culture. Styles and symbols travel, transform, and converse. From New Zealand, kawaii lines, tides, ancestry, rich metallics, festival color, lotus, peacock, celebration, bold lettering, splash art, body as urban wall, ancient meets modern, sacred meets playful, an informal school, techniques and tools traded openly, pigments, cleaning tricks, collaboration sparks innovation, new hybrids emerge, boundaries pushed, patterns become myths, emblems, lived history, barriers fall, bridges build. The impulse to create is universal. As day wanes, a special light washes over the festival. Forms become striking silhouettes, living sculptures. Shape and form, never explicit detail. A metaphor for the message, beauty within community. Applause ripples as the sun slips away. Paint fades, the memory remains. Vibrant colors return to skin. We remember forests on chests, the artist's gentle hand, music on the breeze. Not shame or desire, strength, beauty, expression. What is art? Where is the line between public and private? Can the human body be a canvas, free from judgment? Would you attend a no-clothes art festival? Explore more documentaries on global trends and travel.